Hello everyone, I hope you are fine and healthy. In this video, I am going to explain with you that how can we speak fluent English in our daily life. We have to develop flowing habits to speak fluent English. So we have to develop certain habits to speak good English in our daily life. As you know that English is an important language and it is an international language. So if we speak English in our daily life smoothly, then we can get good job opportunities and we can crack any kinds of exams such as PT, IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, GRE, GMAT, and we can make good career in our life. For speaking good English, we need to develop certain habits in our daily life, such as read English newspapers. There are so many English newspapers such as The Kantipur Post, Republic, The Annapurna, and we have to read English newspaper each day at least 20 minutes. There is no necessary that we have to buy the English newspaper in day-to-day life, but we buy one English newspaper and try to read at least 1 week the same newspaper. First time we don't understand the meaning when we read the English text printed in the English newspaper, but please keep on reading and reading. You just keep on reading no matter whether you are understanding the meaning of those lines or not which is printed in the English newspaper, but keep on reading, then time will come you can easily understand the meaning of each lines which is printed in the English newspaper. Another is read English books and novels. You know, the person who has already got name and fame all over the world, such as Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Narendra Modi, Vinod Chaudhary, and all those people have developed the habit of reading English books each day in their daily life. So reading books is an art, and when we try to read the English books or novels at least few chapters each day, then we can develop our conceptual habit and it will help us to develop our subconscious mind, and slowly and gradually one day we will be habituated with the English books and we feel interest, and when we read several English books and we can easily develop our mind, we can easily develop new ideas, new thought. Here you can see another point is watch English movies. You know, there are so many youth people and the students, if they have leisure time, they try to watch Hindi movie, South Indian movie and Nepali movie. So duration of one Hindi movie 2 hours 30 minutes. So if you watch Hindi movie, South Indian movie or Nepali movie, then you are wasting your time and you can't do anything with that movie. So if you watch movie, if you have leisure time, then watch the movie which is made up in English. You have to watch English movie. Try to make the habit of watching English movie. And even in English movie, search that fiction genres movie, family type of movie. There are lots of language and meaning and words have been used in English movies, and you have to watch when you have leisure time. So if you develop the habit of watching English movie and the duration of English movie is 1 hour 30 minutes only, then you are saving your time and you can easily develop your English. And first time when you watch the English movie, you don't understand anything, but keep on watching and watching. At least one English movie you should watch at least 3, 4, 5 times, and the time will come you can understand what the movie is saying, each language and sentences. If you keep on watching English movie, then time will come you can easily understand. And so please keep on watching English movie, but don't watch Hindi movie, Nepali movie or South Indian movie, because if you watch English movie, then it will really helpful for you to develop English language, and you can get new ideas, and you can develop your creative mind, and you can easily make good career in your life. Another point is develop the habit of soliloquy in English. Soliloquy means act of speaking own self. There is no any kind of listener, but you are only one person and you are speaking something own self. That is known as soliloquy. So from the morning to evening, what you did in whole day, you have to remember and speak in English. Whether it is right or wrong, that doesn't matter, but it will helpful for you to develop English language. Such as you are a student and you can say, today I got up at 6 o'clock and I washed my face and I had some breakfast. After having my breakfast, I packed my books in my college bag and I put on my dress and I went to college. I attended all lectures in college. Then at 12:30 I returned back to my house and I changed my clothes and I took my lunch. After having my lunch, I took rest for an hour. Then I completed my homework. At 4 o'clock, I went to vegetable shop and I bought some vegetables and I returned to my house and I cooked rice. After cooking rice, I read English books and I watched news in TV. This way I finished my today's activities. So each day we do the different things, and what things we did whole day in daily life, we have to speak in soliloquy style. It will really helpful for you to develop good English. Another thing is think in English. So try to think in English. You observe the things around you and try to think in English. Feel interest from inner side. Whatever we do in our life, we have to do with motivation, and we have to feel interest in that particular things. Then our mind will become creative. So speaking English must be your motivation, and if you feel interest in English, then you can easily develop your good English in your daily life. Try to maintain English environment. We are Asian people. We are living in Nepal, and English is our secondary language. English is not our first language. English is not our mother language. So speaking good English is very much challenges for us. You can see we are living in Nepal. If you go government office, if you go to school, college, hospital or shopping mall, anywhere if you go, then all people speak Nepali. Then in this scenario, in this condition, we can't develop English. So in this condition, we have to create environment own self, such as reading newspaper, reading English novels and books, watching English movie, developing soliloquy style in English. So all these things help us to speak good English. Please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.